In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to in Romwe 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in quickly, confidently, and without confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing romwe.com into the address bar. Press enter and make sure you're on the official site. A quick way to confirm is to look for the secure padlock icon near the URL. This helps ensure you're signing in safely. Once the homepage loads, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In or Login button. It's usually easy to spot, and this will take you to the secure login page where you can choose how you want to access your account. You have two main options. If you prefer using your email and password, click the email login fields. Enter the email address you used when you registered, then type your password carefully. Watch for common errors like accidental spaces or the caps lock key being on, since passwords are case sensitive. When everything looks correct, click the sign in button to continue. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill for speed and accuracy. And if you realize you don't remember your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the page to recover it securely. Your second option is social login. If you'd rather not type credentials, you can sign in with Google or Facebook by clicking the corresponding icon. A small window will appear asking you to approve access. Confirm the prompt, and your account will connect automatically. This is a convenient choice if you like single sign-on and want fewer passwords to manage. After you complete either login method, you'll be redirected to your Romwe account dashboard. That's your hub for everything related to your profile and orders. Here you can review recent purchases, track shipping, manage your wish list, and update basic account settings. If you see your profile name and navigation options, you're in the right place and the sign-in was successful. To recap the flow, open your browser, go to romwe.com, click Sign In, choose either email and password or a social login, approve if prompted, and you'll land on your dashboard. Keep your credentials private, sign out on shared devices when you're done, and consider enabling extra security features if they're available. That's all you need to log into Romwe smoothly. Follow these steps and you'll be browsing, tracking, and shopping in no time. Thanks for watching and great job getting set up.